Low-effort online income ideas make easy cash from home. Hey everyone, it's Smart Online here. Let's talk about making money because who doesn't love extra cash? The internet is full of opportunities to earn passive income, but some can feel like a full-time job. What if I told you there are ways to make money online with minimal effort? You don't need to be a tech guru or a social media influencer to start padding your bank account from home. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best low-effort ways to make money online in 2024. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Online surveys. Get paid for your opinion. First up, online surveys. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Tuluna will pay you for your opinion. It's a great way to earn extra cash while catching up on your favorite Netflix shows. Some surveys only take a few minutes and can pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars each. Sell stock photos. Turn your snapshots into cash. Are you always taking pictures? Those photos could be making you money. Sell stock photos online. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy have millions of users searching for the perfect image. Upload once and earn royalties every time someone downloads it. Cashback apps. Shop online, earn cashback. We all shop online, but what if you could earn money back on those purchases? Cashback apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta make it possible. Download the app, activate the cashback offer, and shop as usual. The cashback percentage varies but can range from 1% to even 40% or more. It's free money, people. Print-on-demand design merch. Make money. Have you always dreamed of starting your own clothing line? With print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon, you can. Create a design, upload it, and choose products to sell it on. The platform handles everything from printing to shipping, and you earn a commission on each sale. Test websites and apps. Get paid for your feedback. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to test websites and apps and give your honest feedback. Each test usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes and can pay anywhere from $10 to $20. It's a great way to discover new websites and apps while earning extra cash. Rent out digital storage. Turn unused space into passive income. You can make money from unused storage space on your devices. Platforms like Honeygain and Storage allow you to rent out your unused internet bandwidth and storage space. Download the app, create an account, and let it run in the background. You earn passive income based on how much you share. It's a true set it and forget it kind of deal. Sell your old stuff online. Declutter and make cash. We all have clothes we never wear, gadgets we no longer use, and books we've already read. Instead of letting them collect dust, sell them on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. Take clear photos, write a compelling description, set a fair price, and watch the offers roll.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
The next one.